stop settling for random designs and start building a recognizable brand in 2026. Today, we're using Thumbnail Creator's brand kit features to ensure that every video you upload looks professional and cohesive. So make sure that you stay tuned until the end of this video so you can see exactly how it works. Let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm now on the official dashboard of the Thumbnail Creator. So please make sure that you go to thumbnailcreator.com. I only want to make sure that you go to the official website and not any other. So first of all, before I show you how to actually create a thumbnail and all of the templates and tools that we are going to use in this video, let's talk a little bit more about what it means to actually have a brand in 2026 and how it works. So digital branding is more than just a logo. It's about color psychology and font consistency. And research has been done. If you actually keep your font consistent and your color consistent across your entire channel or your brand, you would actually get a higher viewer return rate. So that means if I have my channel and I have a consistent color and a consistent font, that means that I'll get higher return rate viewers without even doing anything extra. And the great thing about Thumbnail Creator is that you can actually go and you can save brand kits. So that means that you won't have to go and reselect assets for every new video that you upload. So for every new thumbnail, you don't have to actually go and reselect assets. You can just put on your brand kit that you can save automatically. And this will just save you a bunch of time, money, and effort if you are someone who uploads daily. So instead of doing that one by one every single day, you can now just save your brand kit and have that consistent font and that consistent color across your entire brand. Okay guys, so what we are going to be doing in this video, instead of actually creating a thumbnail from scratch, we are going to be using the Creator Pro templates that you can see on the left hand side of your screen. So you can see that there are templates and we are going to use these templates, and they're actually designed for a high-end SaaS channels as well as tech channels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this template button over here and I'm going to show you all of the different categories. So you can actually see all of the different templates and you can actually go and you can actually sort them by entertainment, people, blogs, travel and events, education, music, gaming, and so forth. So you can actually go and you can narrow down your channel niche. But we are going to be focusing on the pro templates. Okay guys, so the first feature I'm going to show you is how you can actually add your own brand kit. So that's going to save you loads of times. You want to come to your library, brands, and then you want to add your first brand. So I'm going to put mine as smmgo.io, for example. I'm going to add the brand, and that is where you are going to be uploading some of the colors and the fonts that you are going to be using. So it's now going to the domain, it's fetching your brand, and it's going to fetch some information from the internet as well. So as you can see, it literally did that within a couple of seconds. It got the logo for us and it got the brand colors. So now you can actually go and we are going to go back to the templates and I'm going to show you, for example, we are going to go and we want to use one of these thumbnail options. So we are going to open an editor. And then what we want to do is we can actually go and we can select the brand. So we can say SMM Go. And then what it's going to do is it's actually going to apply our brand information onto this thumbnail. So what we want to do is we want to select AI tools. You can say the aspect ratio, and then we have to say exactly what it needs to do. So we're just going to say create a thumbnail with SMM Go TikTok followers right there. And I'm going to say make it very engaging. So then I'm going to say quick enhance. And what it's going to do is it's actually going to use AI analytics now to actually go and to optimize this thumbnail to the SMM Go brand. So what you will see it do is you can actually play around with this. So first of all, we started with this image and then we selected the brand kit. As you can see, it put in a little bit of purple and then we did it again. It put in the SMM Go logo. It made the guy more enthusiastic and it also added some more purple. So what we can do is we can even make it more detailed. We can upload a face. So you can see advanced tools. We can go to styles. We can change the style as well. And we can go to faces and we can actually train face models. Okay guys, so what I did now is I literally just put in a little bit more detail that said swap out the colors of this thumbnail to the SMM Go brand colors. And look at what it actually gave me. So as you can see, it totally changed all of the colors instantly. I only had to wait like 1 minute and it completely changed the entire thumbnail to the colors and the brand of SMM Go. So this is great because you don't have to go and actually change the brand on every single asset. You can literally go and you can select your brand right there. And we can even add multiple different brands. You can literally do it within seconds and it will save you so much time. Okay guys, so we are back on the homepage right now, and this is actually a central hub where you can actually manage all of your product shots and your logos, as well as every single aspect of your brand. And they also have different plans available, and you can go and check them out. The link will be in the description of this video, but I just want to highlight that the agency plan will actually allow you to add multiple brands. Like I mentioned before, we are on the agency plan, so we can actually go and we can add multiple different brands. If you're not on the agency plan, you can unfortunately not add multiple brand kits. So you should go on the agency plan so you can actually just swap between different companies. Guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to show you how good the AI eraser is. So we want to come back home, and we actually want to go to this image right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the AI eraser, and actually I'm going to erase something in the background to show you how good it actually is. So it's a high quality background removal that actually ensures that your images look integrated and not just pasted. So I'm going to show you how it works in a second. Guys, so just to quickly show you a result, all I said was just remove the laptop, and look, next image, it's removed and the image actually looks integrated and not just pasted like I said. So the quality of this is actually really insane, and it literally took 2 seconds for me to just do this. So before you actually go and you export this, please make sure that you enable the 4K enhancement, so your image will actually be downloaded or exported in 4K, because a blurry thumbnail image actually kills click-through rate, and you don't want that. You want the highest click-through rate. Also, another trick that you can do is you can come to quick enhance, and it can actually find ways to improve your CTR. Okay guys, and you can actually go and secure your assets on this platform with their encrypted storage system. So this will just give you that extra safety that you can't actually lose your images, and they will be saved no matter what, and no one can get access to your brand and your brand details. Start building your brand identity today. Check out the brand kit features. The link will be in the description of this video, so you can actually go and professionalize your channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.